introducing the new update to the Play Empire server. I call it there is 3 new modes to this update, but the update is called the Big Wave Update. There is a new secret map for the Call of Duty. Introducing the secret map. I don't know why that's there. You still got all the regular regular items. But there's also a big new map that you can fight in. There's 4 different boxes to fight in. You can fight or use this redstone thing that I created. If you like this video so far, give it a like and subscribe. Introducing the new game mode, Super Smash Brothers. We got the first row of characters in the actual Super Smash Brothers game. And that one is, we got Mario, DK, Link, Samus, Dark Samus, Yoshi, Kirby, Fox, Pikachu, Luigi, Ness, Captain Falcon, and Jigglypuff as those are the first row of characters in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. We just replaced minigame planning with the new mode, Empire Planet mode. There's no commands actually set up yet for this. But in the new Empire Planet mode, you can create roller coasters or play other people's roller coasters that they have made. And also, you can create your own little tiny mini games in this. Yep, pretty cool. This roller coaster is one of my favorite roller coasters that I built up just for this trailer. Just to let you know, there's a new Super Minecraft Maker Beta version 1. Only 3 people are allowed in this. I am the first one, and if you're lucky enough, you can be one of the 2 other ones that can actually play in this beta. This beta is to create Minecraft maps. Any sized Minecraft maps. And I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye. Coming this Friday night.